Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Lego Minifigures 22 is probably one of the most exciting and diverse collections Lego has released in recent years, offering a fantastic array of unique characters, each with their own distinct personality, accessories, and buildable elements, making it a must-have for both seasoned collectors and newcomers to the world of Lego Minifigures, promising hours of imaginative play and display possibilities. Number 5. Lego Creator Expert Assembly Square 10255. Step into the vibrant assembly square, a modular building that brings a bustling street to life. It features a variety of shops, a dance studio, and a charming outdoor cafe. This modular model offers versatile display options, allowing you to arrange it in various positions. Its elaborate facade boasts detailed windows and doors, adding to its charm. Bring your creation to life with 8 minifigures, including a dentist, barista, baker, and more. A baby figure is also included to expand your storytelling. Compatible with all Lego construction sets, this building toy encourages endless creative possibilities. Expand your world and build something amazing. Standing over 13 inches high and 14 inches wide, this set is a substantial addition to any collection. With 4,002 pieces, it's perfect for builders aged 16 and up. What we like. This set offers an incredibly detailed and modular building experience. If you are looking for a large, impressive display piece that can be customized and expanded, this is the one. Its high piece count and intricate design make it perfect for experienced builders and Lego enthusiasts who enjoy a significant challenge. What people say. Lots of details for various rooms, especially the room with Lego micro builds. No sticker, all printed bricks, modular rocks. This set kept me busy for the better part of 2 days and the details are amazing. There's a bakery, florist, coffee shop, music shop, ballet studio, photography studio, dentist's office, and a studio apartment. Number 4. Lego Minifigures Series 22. Get ready for a surprise with these cool bags. They are a fun treat for kids and fans of any age, encouraging endless play. Inside each bag, you'll find one of 12 unique characters to build. It's a great addition to any collection, complete with accessories and a collector's leaflet. These characters appeal to kids aged 5 and up. They inspire imagination and help build creativity and confidence, whether playing alone or with friends. Looking for a just because gift? These high-quality, limited edition minifigures and accessories make a perfect unexpected present. Built with uncompromising quality, these components have met stringent industry standards since 1958. They ensure consistent and reliable connections for your builds. What we like. The thrill of the unknown is what makes this collection so exciting. If you love the surprise of not knowing which character you'll get and enjoy collecting unique figures with accessories, this is a fantastic choice. It's a great way to spark imagination and add variety to your Lego world, perfect for kids and adult collectors alike. What people say. The little raccoon trash panda is probably my favorite. Super fun and easy to assemble. They each come with a brick plate for easy display. Lego products are always just what you ordered, great gift, he loves how easy it was to put together and perfect for his collection. Number 3. Toysvill SWAT Military Police Building Block Set. Introducing the Toysvill SWAT Military Police Building Block Set. This set offers perfect compatibility for endless building possibilities. Crafted with premium quality and eco-friendly materials, it ensures a fine finish and high simulation for realistic play. Made from non-toxic and odorless ABS material, this set is completely safe for children to use. The package includes 22 SWAT soldiers with weapons and equipment, plus a cool SUV off-road vehicle, all packed in convenient OPP bags. Looking for a gift? This building block set is a perfect choice for birthdays or Christmas, offering hours of fun and imaginative play. What we like. This set brings the action right to your building table with its military theme. If you enjoy creating tactical scenarios and playing with action figures and vehicles, this is ideal. It's a great gift for kids who love police and military adventures, offering immediate playability with its included SUV and soldiers. What people say. So many accessories with them. Very easily assembled as they were packaged with 1 figure or 2 figures per package. It comes with the arms and legs. My 7-year-old grandson enjoys setting this up and spends hours playing with set. No video games, just all-around imagination and fun. Number 2. Lego Minifigure Series 22 Snow Guardian. Unbox the enchanting Snow Guardian from Series 22. This collectible comes with its loyal husky companion and other exciting accessories. Also included is the curious birdwatcher minifigure, complete with its own set of accessories. Expand your collection with these unique characters. These are small, collectible items, perfect for enthusiasts. Please note they may not be ideal as a primary gift for very young children. Each minifigure comes with all the accessories shown in the pictures. You'll receive exactly what you see, ready for display or play. Add these charming figures to your Lego world. They are great for display and sparking imaginative stories. What we like. Discover a unique character with a charming winter theme. If you appreciate niche minifigures and enjoy collecting figures with distinct personalities and accessories, like a loyal husky, this is a great find. It's a perfect addition for collectors looking for something a little different and whimsical. What people say. Nice detail of the Snow Guardian, and the Jusky is very cool also. I bought these for my nephew. They are authentic Legos, came unused, and shipped quickly. Number 1. Lego Minifigure Series 22 Robot Repair Tech 71032. Introducing the Robot Repair Tech from Lego Minifigure Series 22. This authentic figure comes brand new in its original sealed packet, ready for adventure. You'll receive the genuine Robot Repair Tech minifigure, complete with all its accessories. It's an authentic Lego piece, ensuring quality and fun. This collectible is brand new and still in its original sealed packet. You can be sure it's untouched and ready for your collection. The set includes the Robot Repair Tech minifigure along with its essential accessories. Everything you need to bring this character to life is right here. This unique character is part of the exciting Lego Minifigure Series 22 collection. Add this specialized repair tech to your display or play scenarios. What we like. Get a specific, authentic Lego minifigure in its original sealed packet. If you are a collector who needs to complete a set or wants a particular character like the Robot Repair Tech, this guarantees you get exactly what you're looking for. It's perfect for ensuring you have the precise piece for your collection or display. What people say. The accessories are great and provide for plenty of creativity. They have names and multicolored bodies. Some have become Bionic or Frankenstein Lego characters. Lego Minifigure Series 22, Robot Repair Tech with bonus blue cape, 71032, is a big hit with the grandkids. I had to order 2 of these, and they enjoyed assembly and then of course playing with the tech and the tiny robot companion. Love the Lego Minifigure Series 22 Robot Repair Tech 71032 for my robot collection. It is a glimpse into our near future of how all stuff gets done. It has started already. How cool. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.